all knows about this process. Is it clear? Esteem? Yeah, Uma, Saujanya?
Yes.
Yes.
Archana? Fine. Sakshi, are you there? Fine. Now let's see. Now coming to the subject. Here parent is there, na? Parent means tester. Parent is tester. Principal is there, na? Principal means QTP. Principal means QTP. So parent means tester. So manager, add in manager only. Add in manager only. Here, this is Java technology based project. And this is Visual Basic. Here, this is Java technology based project. And this is Visual Basic technology project. So tester want to test these two projects into QTP. So tester can't enter directly into the QTP. Sakshi, are you downloading that files?
No, I don't know. My internet got disconnected. I am not able to record the session also now.
Now I will make you organizer, but don't download that files while
Okay.
session is going on. Okay?
Okay.
And don't browse anything in your system.
Okay.
And team, all of you remember, don't open QTP while we are taking the session. So your system will go slow down.
Okay.
So that will be the problem to you. So
Yeah.
servers are running, na? So
Yeah.
your system will be slow down. So don't open QTP, don't open any files, because I am already sharing the screen. I'm running the server, so you don't do anything. Otherwise your system will be slow. Fine.
Okay.
So let's see. This is for all, not only Sakshi. Yeah. Now coming to the concept, tester want to test this Java technology project and Visual Basic technology project in QTP. Now tester is trying to enter into the QTP. In the middle, add-in manager will coming under the picture. And add-in manager is checking whether this tester is having a license for these projects to test into the QTP. By default, Visual Basic technology free license. So manager will allow, add-in manager will allow you to test these projects in QTP. If Java is there, they require Java license. If license is not there, they are not allowing you to test into the QTP. Means QTP will not support Java projects to work if there is no license. So first option is what? Add-in manager. Add-in manager is a feature provided by QTP. It is used to check the license related information for projects. This is the first concept. When you are trying to open the QTP, first add-in manager will coming under the picture. Okay, add-in manager is a feature provided by QTP. It is used to check the license information of projects to test into QTP. So free license is for what? By default, some free license is given for Visual Basic technology project. See, I'm opening the QTP now. Go to file, exit. So you can go to start, all programs, quick test professional, quick test professional. Actual way of this is to open the QTP. You can open in this way, or directly quick test professional. Double click it. Double click it. Here add-in manager is given. Add-in manager is provided. Directly you can't enter. So inbuilt license, Visual Basic, and this is the project called Visual Basic Technology project, and this is the project called Java, for example. This is a Java. So this Java project you can't test it in QTP because there is no checkbox here. So these are all free. So in Visual Basic Technology project, some inbuilt ActiveX controls are there. For date format, separate ActiveX controls are used. For this, separate option is given. Let's see. Date format means what? Let's see. So this is the date format. In text field, some slashes are given. And go to File, Open Order. So this is the date format. For this one, separate inbuilt license is given in QTP to work these options. So that options are ActiveX controls. Some ActiveX controls are used. So this is the add-in manager. You no need to learn about add-in manager. That is the company's job. Software company has to provide the or take the license from the HP company. So for example, this is the login project. I got the license. License is inbuilt. You're clicking on OK. That's it. Now you are connecting into QTP. Now you are connecting. This is the first step. By default, add-in manager will be there. Just click on OK. So that is a company's job. Okay, you no need to worry. This is the QTP location. So now let's see. First parts of QTP we will discuss. Basically, there are 4 parts of QTP. There are 4 parts are there. In QTP. One is test pane, then active screen, then data table, then tool options. The meaning of pane is area. Pane means area. So test pane is an area provided by QTP. Okay. So test pane is an area provided by QTP. Hi Vikesh. It is divided into.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, Vikesh, any problem of connecting link?
No, ma'am, I was just busy.
Oh, okay. I'm making you organizer. Please record the session.
Okay.
Now let's see. It is divided into 2 types. One is keyword view test pane. See here, expert view and keyword view. 2 test panes. This white color screen is there, na? This is only known as an area or a pane. So one is expert view test pane. Next one is keyword view. Expert view and keyword view. Now let's see. So here it is an area provided by QTP. It is divided into 2 types. One is expert view, second one is keyword view. So by default here or in expert view test pane only we can represent the VB script. Okay. So in this we can generate the VB script. We can edit the script. We can delete the script. We can write or generate the VB script, we can edit the VB script, and we can delete. So where? In expert view test pane. Actual VB script is written in expert view. With the help of record option, you can write it. What is record? In coming class I will tell you, not now. Just to understand the expert view test pane, what happening here. So see, one script got generated. I have entered something. I clicked something. So the VB script is getting generated. I close the application, stop recording. So we can generate or we can develop the VB script. And we can modify it also. Here something is written, you can edit with the password as Mercury. And you can delete the script like this. You can delete, you can modify, you can develop. So that is the work done in expert view test pane. It is an area provided by QTP. It is used to develop the script, delete and edit. Then what is keyword view means? Example, second line I am unable to understand. So it is written like dialog, login, WinEdit, agent name set to Vidya, something which is written, which I am unable to understand. If you are unable to understand the meaning of the script line, then what you can do here is just make the mouse pointer on that line and click on keyword view. See, something got highlighted. It says agent name is set, operation which I did is set, the value which I entered is Vidya. And documentation it will says that enter Vidya in agent name edit box. It will provide you in detailed information here. It will provide you in detailed information. So this is called what? This is only known as keyword view work. So in keyword view, here if you are unable to understand the meaning of the VB script, make the mouse pointer and click on keyword view. It will represent the VB script in the form of user understandable documentation. Okay, so that is called what? Keyword view. If you want to, yeah, so it will represent the VB script in user understandable. User understandable or user documentation format. Technically you need to say user documentation. For easily understandable purpose. It is used to understand easily. Or it is used to understand. Now, still if you are unable to understand, it is a GUI, graphical user interface. It's GUI format. Still if you are unable to understand this GUI format, go to expert view and makes the mouse pointer on that line and go to insert or view, click on active screen. The next option is active screen. Here let's see. Just give me 2 seconds, team. Just 2 seconds. Yeah, I'm back, team. Thank you. So this is called keyword view. Before going to the next step, is it point is clear? Expert view and keyword view. This is the first concept, test pane.
Yes.
So in test pane, VB script, yeah, fine dear. Still, if you are unable to understand the script line, then QTP is providing one more option to you. So that is called active screen. It will represent the VB script in the form of pictures. So it will represent in the form of picture presentation. Makes the mouse pointer on that line. Go to view, click on active screen. See, it will gives with the image. This is not the application. That application related image. See, wherever you are moving the mouse pointer on that line, so it is highlighting. See. So this is called what? Active screen. So easily you can analyze which script line is meaning of that script line, on which application, on which field it is going to use it will be clearly described. Whenever you are moving the mouse pointer on that line, it is highlighting. So this is called active screen. Okay. Now next, data table. It is used to hold the test data. It is used to hold the test data. So here, let's see. Input data or test data. Same thing. Go to view, data table. Here you can enter the data like Vidya. Oh, okay. Here, username is Vidya. Password is Mercury. This data can be used in script lines. A, B, C, D, tree. This input data. This is some input data which you are using to test the application. That input data you are maintaining in data table. Where it is getting used in detail in coming class we are going to learn, not now. So what is data table means? Data table is also one of the feature provided by QTP. It is used to hold the test data to test the application. So in detail in coming class you will get to know. Just parts of QTP I am explaining you. Tool options means all menu options in the QTP. In QTP is called tool options. Every day you are learning these tool options. These are all options every day you are learning. So QTP divided into 4 parts. One is test pane. Second one is active screen. Third one is data table. Fourth one is tool option. Okay, 4 parts. Remember these 4 points. Is it clear? Now let's start with actual class. With this, just basic information is done. Having any doubts here?
No.
Fine. Now let's see. I'm taking the new one. So this is the flight application which I want to use, or this application I want to test with the help of QTP. With the help of QTP I want to test it. Let's see how to do. How to do this process means, before going to test this application, first we need to inform to QTP on which application you are going to work. You have to inform. How to inform is, you need to follow some general framework. So that general framework to work in the QTP is called this. Here I said to work with any automation tool, I said. Now to work with QTP tool, you need to follow some general frameworks. Here, tester should learn how to give the instructions and information into QTP or in QTP tool. So tester should learn how to use It's recording facility in QTP. Playback facility in QTP. How to analyze the result in QTP. So this step first we will discuss. We should know how to give the instructions and information. For this you should know record. By using record and run setting, we are giving the instructions and information to QTP. So by using record and run settings, by using record and run settings, we are giving instructions and information in QTP. For every new test, compulsory you have to give this record and run settings. For every new test. Let's see. Record and run settings for every new test we have to give. So how to give the settings? For example, this application I need to work into the basic script I need to generate into the QTP. First step, go to automation. Here you can see record and run settings. Click it. You can see record and run settings, just click it. So this application is Windows or web? Anyone in the class?
Windows.
Sakshi?
Windows.
Yeah.
Web.
Web.
Good. Wait, Bhavana, let them tell. The topics which already completed students, please wait. I will ask later. Okay? So our Saujanya said web, Sakshi said web.
No, I said window.
Oh, Sakshi said window. Okay, who
I
said web? Okay, Saima said web.
Saima.
Yeah. Uma, what you will say? Is it web or window? Uma, give me the answer. Saujanya, how come it is web? Tell me. What is the difference between window and web?
Windows means the application will be downloaded in our system in Windows space. Web means it's a link.
So is it a link now?
No, actually this is the flight application, right?
Yeah, you said web application.
Yes.
How come you say it is web? Did I open any link for this?
No.
Then why you said web?
Why I said web means it is a flight application, right?
So what, my dear? Flight means web. Who said? Who said to you flight means web? It is a Windows based. It is installed in our systems. Web means go open the browser and enter the link. That is called web based.
Yes.
Then where I browse the link then?
Yeah, actually you didn't browse, but for all the application, I mean, why I thought like that means for the flight application we want to search in the web, right? That's why I said web.
No, not in general. You want to book the flight ticket, you are using web. That is the reason. No, not that.
Yeah.
Desktop applications also there. Okay. Don't judge by name. Then
Okay.
I'm using the calculator. Through web also you can open the calculator. Through desktop also it is there. So
Yes.
don't judge by name whether it is Windows or web. So judge by seeing it. It's installed. By seeing itself you can analyze. There is no internet link, connection, nothing. So it is a Windows based project.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Now let's see. So this is the Windows based. So go to automation. So Uma, are you not there in the class? Please answer me at least yes or no. If you can reach my voice, yes or no, you have to answer, na? Okay, fine. Now go to automation, click on record and run settings. So this is Windows based. You are informing here itself. You are informing QTP, my dear QTP, I am working on Windows based application. Okay, you just already informed now. Now, if you select Windows based tab, here two options are there. One is record and run test on any open window based application. Second one, record and run only on. This option later we'll discuss. First option is record and run test on any open window based application. If you select first radio button, the meaning of this radio button is, if you select this first radio button, click apply and OK. Then before hit the record button, what is record in next step? Before hit the record button, open the application manually like this. Then you can hit the record button. Then you can hit the record button. You are activating. You have entered something. You clicked something. Stop recording. Again, before hit the record button, the internal setting called record and run test on any open window based application. If you select that radio button, before hit the record button, open the application, and before hit the run button also, you have to open the application like this. Then hit the run button. That is the internal setting. Compulsory for every new test, you have to give this setting. Okay, so let's see. Record and run setting. So it is used to, with the help of this, by using record and run settings, we can give the instructions and information into QTP. So go to automation, click on automation menu and click on record and run settings. In this, one window will opens. In that, two options will be there. One is record and run settings on. Let's see. Record and run test on, I think. Yeah. Record and run test on any open window based application. And second one is record and run only on browsing. Browsing the path. So first radio button. If we select this option, what happened? Let's see. If we select this option, before hit the record button, we need to open the application. And before hit the record button, we need to open the application, and before hit the run button also. We need to open the application manually. So that is the meaning of this internal setting. See. For example, I am not opening, I hit the run button. QTP is searching for the application. It is searching for the application. And it says some unrecoverable error. Because you didn't open. Basically you have given an internal setting but you didn't open. Now open the application. Then hit the run button, it will work. See. So this is called what? This is only known as first radio button meaning. All of you unmute and talk to me if you're having any doubts. Only what is record, what is playback, later we'll discuss.
Clear.
Don't ask me about record. Only you can ask me run settings is clear or not. First radio button meaning.
Yeah, clear.
Good.
Clear.
Good, dear. Now next, record and run test on, only on. Second option is there. So keep on. I'm unable to open the application. I forgot to open and directly I'm hitting the run. It is difficult to me to remember which setting I have given. So instead of opening manually, you can give the direct application path to QTP. So that is called next option. See, automation, record and run settings. Windows application only. And second option, record and run only on. So application opened by QTP itself. Application is opening by QTP itself. Plus indicates add. So application specified below path. So here this symbol is there. This is called browser symbol to give the path. Click it. This flight application I need to use. Click open. If I click OK, here you will get a path. See. Now click apply and OK. Now you no need to open the application manually. Just hit the record button. See, application is opened via QTP itself. Now you are doing some actions. You clicked on option. Stop recording. Again, before hit the run button, don't open manually. Automatically QTP will open. See. So this is the second option. So record and run only on. So if we select this option, then we need to provide application path. So if you select this option, we need to provide the application path. So no need to open application manually before hit the record and run. Automatically QTP will opens. Is this clear?
Yes.
Good. Now you understand internal setting. Now let's see what is the next option. So this is called first option. How to give the instructions and information in QTP. Now let's see second option, next option. Tester should learn a recording. So it is nothing but a record. Record overview. So how to give the record, how to use its recording facilities, miss? This point is very important. So here, once we hit the record button in QTP. So, and one more thing, without giving internal setting of record and run setting, you can't go with the next step. Example, I want to record the script, I'm clicking on it. But you can't go. It says first you use the settings. Give me the record and run settings. Give me the information, then only I can work, it will say. So for every new test compulsory, what we have to do? Esteem, what we have to do compulsory?
Record and run settings we have to set internally.
Very good. Go to record and run settings, Windows, apply and OK. Then let's see. Very important concept called record. What
So
is
we,
record?
ma'am, so we will prefer the first record button, in which like we have to select the application, open the application manually. We will
Yeah,
prefer that.
yeah, either one you can use, but most probably I will prefer first option. Keep on, I will open and I will do some actions.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
fine. So either one is useful. Now let's see what is record. So record option, go to automation, click on record here. Our shortcut key is F3, or directly you can click the record here. Three ways are correct. So record overview is, once you hit the record button, now QTP is under recording mode. Here QTP is under recording mode. See the below red color option. See, it is under recording mode. So what action you are doing on the application? That application related VB script or that action related VB script will get generated on the test pane. So here you have activated, that script will be returned. Here if you enter name as Vidya, that script will be written. If you enter so and so in password, script will be written. So what action you are doing on the application, that action related VB script will get generated on the test pane, and some more information will be added in the object repository. Go to resource, one object repository is there. What is this object repository? Not now. Just to try to understand the concept. Okay, make it aside. If you are not getting the meaning of object repository also, no problem. You are not learning right now, just make it aside. Just try to understand the concept. Record overview, try to understand. So once we hit the record button, someone is making speakers on, just make it mute. Now QTP is under recording mode. See, I'm activating. VB script will get generated on the test pane and some information will be added in the object repository. See, I'm entering username as Vidya. See, script got generated. Information is added. I clicked on help button. I clicked on OK button. I entered password as Mercury. I clicked on OK button. So what action I am doing on the application? That action related VB script will be generated on the test pane. See, I close the application. So VB script will be generated on the application script and some more information will be added on the object repository. Until and unless you clicked on stop button, it won't stop. You can click stop here. Go to automation, click stop here, or shortcut key is F4. You can click stop like this. Got it? So let's see, record overview. Once we hit the record button, then what action we are doing? On the application, that action related VB script will be generated on the test pane and some more information. What is that some more information? Don't ask now. Just remember some information will be stored on object repository. This is a record job. All of you read it and let me know if you're having any doubts here. Action means entering, clicking, closing. Yes, Vikesh, Uma,
Clear.
Saima,
Yes.
Clear.
fine. Now let's see. Next one is run. Playback means run. What happened, Uma? You are not talking to me, just now you are giving a message. What's going on? Run or playback? Both are same. See, when I'm asking one question, now you have to answer. Run or playback? So, this is your application. Okay. Because I don't know whether you are there in the class or not. No answer, nothing. Na? I have to know. Fine. So when I hit the run button, what QTP will do here is, when I hit the run button, first QTP will go to object repository. Take the value from this object repository. Then reads the script line. Then perform this task on the application, reverse order. Because playback, your mobile is there, something you are recording. One birthday party is going on, you are recording. Later, same party, if you want to view again and again means what you will do? You will play back. In the same way here also. So one task you did manually and you recorded it. Tomorrow also same task if you want to repeat means just you are hitting the run button. So if you hit the run button, back end what QTP will do, how it will works means, see. If we hit the run button, first QTP will go to the script object repository, take the value from the object repository, then reads the script line, then perform the task on the application. But you can't see whether it is going into the object repository or not. I will show you the proof. I will show you the proof. See, this is called playback. Go to here. Once we hit the run button, then QTP will go to object repository, take the value from there and come back to test scripts, test pane, and read the script, then perform the task on application. Whether it is going to the object repository or not, I will show you. Here line number 5th, password related information is there. I'm deleting that password from object repository. Wantedly I deleted. Now let's see. I deleted password, line number 5. Hit the run button. See. QTP stop you on line number 5. Anyone read the second line?
The password when added object was not found in the object repository.
Fine. So what do you understand here?
That in object repository, the password field was not there.
Very good. That password is not there in the object repository. That is the reason it is unable to identify.
Yeah.
Okay. Click OK. So now here, see what I said. Once we hit the run button, then QTP will go to the object repository first. QTP will go to object repository, take the value from there and come back to the test pane, read the script line, then perform the task on application. That is called run.
So basically,
finally,
object repository So basically, object repository is storing our values in it.
Yes. Object related properties and values will be stored. If I say that point here, you will not understand.
Yeah.
Some object related information will be added. That in coming class I will teach you.
Okay.
Maybe half an hour session will be there. I will teach you.
So run
Only for
is
object repository.
like QTP doing testing by itself, right?
No, we are asking QTP to do and QTP is doing. By own QTP is not doing. Whatever we are informing to QTP, that things QTP is doing. I told you na, QTP is our assistant. Based on our instructions and information only it is working. Whatever I am saying to QTP it is doing. If I say record means it is recording. If I say run means it is automatically running the scripts.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Now analyzing the result. So once the script got executed, then one window will display. That is called result window. From there you can analyze the result. From there we can analyze the result. See. So once we executed, this is the result. Go to view, expand all. See. Login, I have activated. Agent name set as Vidya. Then I clicked on help button. Flight reservation window is opened. I clicked on OK button. Password is provided. Like this, in detail information will be given. Step by step what you did, that information step by step it will provide. This is called test results. Result window. Okay, these are all internal option, first basic options which you need to perform. Okay. Now tomorrow recording modes we are going to discuss. Did I release it any notes to you people?
No.
Yes?
No, I guess.
No.
Okay.
No.
Now I'm releasing notes, updated class notes with the QTP PDF notes. You just check it out immediately. Okay. Fine team. With this today I'm ending up the session. See you on tomorrow same timings. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.
Ma'am, check my that downloading, please.
Yes.
And my
Saima, tomorrow I will check it out, dear. Because you didn't inform, I forgot. Tomorrow, whichever systems I didn't check it out, I will do it tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Tomorrow first I'll check it out your systems, then we'll go with the topic. Before I'm starting only, please inform me. I thought I checked all the systems.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
This was the link he sent me yesterday. This one.
Click on it. And best way, instead of Chrome, try to browse this mega link into Firefox.
Oh, I don't have Firefox. Okay. And this was not working over here, so I opened it in Internet Explorer.
Internet Explorer is also not a good process, dear. Best way, free download Firefox will be there, na? Download Firefox browser, then you installed it.
Okay. Then I think this was the one file. It just got downloaded, and this, I guess, Oracle. That's it. I think only these two files are downloaded. Nothing
Okay,
else.
you do one thing. Freshly you install the Firefox first.
Okay.
Then browse the link in Firefox, then download it. One by one download. Not all at a time. One link select, download.
Okay.
Another link select, download.
There is only one link. There is no any other link. I'll show you. Just a minute.
No. 8 rare links will be given in that. So in Chrome it is not showing you. That is the main problem.
Oh, okay.
One by one, it's got splitted and checkboxes is given. So in
Okay.
in Firefox, you will get it.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Okay. I will do it today then.
fine.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, team. Bye bye. Take
So
care.
Bye.
Yes.
with the same time, same
Bye.
link?
Yeah, same time, same link.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you very much.
Okay, dear. Bye bye.
Bye.